Hey there foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a mouth-watering recipe for you, cheese balls. First, let's start by peeling the potato and chopping it into small blocks. Then we'll boil them until they're nice and tender. Next, we'll chop some onions and green onions. That cheesy goodness, we have mozzarella cheese. Now let's mash those potatoes and add salt, pepper and a touch of red masala powder for some extra flavor. Time to bring in the cheddar cheese. Slice it into small pieces for our cheesy surprise. Alright, now take 2 eggs, beat them and gently dip in each cheese ball into the egg mixture. Next, roll those cheese balls in breadcrumbs to give them a crispy outer layer. Finally, we'll fry these delicious cheese balls in hot oil until they turn brown. And voila, here we have our cheesy potato balls, crispy on the outside and oozing with cheese on the inside. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for watching.